Anytime that your phone is switched off or you are offline and someone tries to call you, you can get the notification that they try to call you, and this needs to be set up. Now, how do you ensure that you always receive that notification message informing you of the person that tried to call you at a certain time? Now, this video is going to answer that question, and I'll have two operators that I'm going to work with. That is for Airtel Kenya and Safaricom Kenya. So make sure you subscribe and like this video if it helps you. The process of activating this is not complicated, and we will start with Safaricom. All you need is the phone application. Go to your phone application and you type this *62* then 0722 199 199, okay, and then hash. You can find this number in the video description below, and then you'll call using the Safaricom operator, and you can see that I have gotten this message: call forwarding registration was successful. And it is that simple. You might feel the need to deactivate it. Let me show you how. While you are in your phone application, you need to dial #62#, and then you need to call it with your Safaricom SIM card, and then it will bring you this pop-up: call forwarding erase successful, and that's how you deactivate it. As for Airtel, it is a bit different, you will note, and let me show you how to activate it. As for the Airtel operator, you don't need the phone application. You need to go to the messages app, and then you are going to start a new chat, and then you are going to send the message to 555. Okay, 555. This is Airtel. You need to select the line that is going to send the message. So I need to just paste. You need to type this sub MCA. It should be in caps. There's a space between sub and MCA, okay, and then send the SMS. It should cost you nothing, okay, and then you should receive such a message from Airtel, and it is that simple. The MCA service is just like the Safaricom operator. It notifies you and also the person who was calling you that you are now available. They can now call you, okay, and that's it. That's how you solve the two problems for the two operators. Make sure you like this video and subscribe for more productivity tips. Be productive.